Welcome to Eden View Living, where we do everything home and garden. So this is what my September garden is looking like, and this video was taken on the 14th of September 2024. I must say that I'm very pleased with how most of the plants are still looking. They're still looking very fresh, and many plants are still flowering very well. So I'm very pleased. So I'm already thinking about the next season, which is going to be spring. I'm already thinking about the plants that I would like to add into the garden and some design tweaks that I would like to introduce. One of the things that I'm thinking about is adding a bit of height into the garden. So I'm thinking of either introducing some trees or building a pergola or both. I'll just see how things work, but I definitely think the garden needs a bit of height just to add a bit of more interest into the garden. So the garden is one of those things that I'm really grateful for. It has definitely given me back than what I put in it, and I'm so happy to also see my family, my children just enjoying it. I love it when my son just walks into the garden and he just loves walking about, running about in the garden, and I see him looking at the flowers and looking at the bees, and he's actually said it himself. He says one of the things that he enjoys is just taking those walks in the garden. So I believe that the garden gives so much more than what we can actually measure. So that's why I would think I will always love gardening, because it gives me so much. It just calms me down. Sometimes I go in the garden and I just sing as I walk up and down, and I just pull up some weeds as I just look at the flowers, listen to the birds singing. So this garden has definitely been a big blessing to me and my family and those that are around me that get to visit me. We definitely enjoy this space together. Thank you very much for your support, and thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so that we can be able to put out more home and gardening videos. Thank you.